Have you ever made a small decision and later realized that this seemingly simple change triggered a series of positive transformations in your life? For example, deciding to wake up just 10 minutes earlier every day might give you extra time for exercise, reading, or planning your day. Over time, this increased energy and focus can lead to improvements in your work or studies, ultimately putting your life on a completely new path. This is the domino effect, a principle that suggests a small action can trigger a chain reaction, leading to significant success. This concept applies not only to personal development, but also to business, relationships, health, and even financial growth. Stay with us until the end, and don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section. What is the domino effect, and how does it work? The domino effect originates from physics, but has been widely applied in psychology and personal development. It is based on the principle that a small change can lead to a bigger change, and this process can continue exponentially. For example, a study conducted at Stanford University showed that developing a small habit, like drinking more water daily, can lead to increased energy levels, weight loss, and improved sleep quality. How does the domino effect work scientifically? The human brain is designed to form new neural pathways whenever a new action is taken. If this action is repeated, these pathways become stronger, making the action easier to perform. This is known as the habit formation principle. The relationship between the domino effect and habits. Charles Duhigg, author of The Power of Habit, explains that certain habits have a greater impact than others and can create a chain reaction in life. These are called keystone habits. How to activate the domino effect in your life. Choose the first domino starting point for change. The most important step in using the domino effect is choosing a small but impactful change. This change should be easy and doable, so you can start immediately. Connected to a bigger goal, e.g., reading 1 page a day if you want to become a professional writer. Influential on other aspects of life. Create keystone habits for exponential success. Some habits act as powerful catalysts for transformation. Here are some examples. Daily exercise boosts energy, improves sleep, increases focus. Daily reading enhances knowledge, sharpens the mind, creates new career opportunities. Meditation and mindfulness reduces stress, enhances creativity, improves relationships. Gradually increase the impact. The principle of progressive growth. After establishing your first small change, gradually build on it. For instance, if you start with 5 minutes of reading per day, increase it to 15 minutes after a month. The domino effect is not just a theory. It is a practical strategy that can lead to significant progress in various areas of life. In the continuation of this video, we will explore how to apply this principle in career growth, health, relationships, and financial management. The domino effect in career growth and professional success. Career success often results from a small shift in mindset or daily routine. Many successful entrepreneurs and executives have transformed their careers by adopting a single key habit. Warren Buffett, one of the world's wealthiest investors, had a habit of reading at least 500 pages every day. This practice significantly expanded his knowledge of investing, ultimately leading to his immense success. How to activate the domino effect in your career. Choose a small but crucial habit. Dedicate just 10 minutes daily to learning a new skill. Have a consistent improvement plan. Aim to get just 1% better at your job every day. The principle of continuous improvement. Identify the smallest impactful change. Something as simple as staying organized or eliminating a few unnecessary tasks from your daily list can transform your career path. If you could introduce one small change in your work habits, what would it be? Share your thoughts in the comments. The domino effect in health and fitness. Many people believe that achieving a healthy lifestyle requires drastic changes. However, small and gradual improvements are what truly lead to long-term transformation. James Clear, in his book Atomic Habits, explains that improving your health habits by just 1% daily can make you 37 times better in 1 year. How to activate the domino effect in a healthy lifestyle. Start with a small change. Walk for just 5 minutes a day or reduce sugar intake by 10%. Stack positive habits together. If you want to drink more water, pair it with an existing habit, e.g., drink a glass of water every time you check your emails. Let small changes create a chain of health benefits. Exercising improves sleep, better sleep boosts energy, and more energy increases daily productivity. Choose one small health habit that can make a big difference in your life. The domino effect in personal and social relationships. Our relationships deeply impact our quality of life. Sometimes, a minor shift in behavior or communication can create a profound difference. Psychological studies show that couples who spend just 5 minutes a day expressing gratitude to each other develop significantly stronger emotional bonds. How to activate the domino effect in your relationships. Turn a simple action into a habit. Send a kind message to a loved one every day. Focus on changing yourself rather than others. When you approach people with positivity, they naturally respond in kind. Master the power of active listening. Simply listening to others without judgment or immediate reactions can transform your connections. Send a heartfelt message to a loved one today and observe their reaction. Share your experience in the comments. The domino effect in financial management and investing. When it comes to financial success, many assume that a high income is the key. However, effective money management is even more critical. Dave Ramsey, a well-known financial advisor, emphasizes that saving even 10% of your monthly income can dramatically change your financial situation over time. How to activate the domino effect in financial success. Start by adjusting a small spending habit. Cut out an unnecessary expense, e.g., an overpriced coffee, and invest that money instead. Gradually increase your savings rate. If you're saving 5% of your income today, increase it by 1% each month. Reinforce positive financial habits. Managing expenses wisely, investing consistently, and creating new income streams can transform your financial future. Identify and eliminate one unnecessary expense today. Save that money and see how it grows over time. The domino effect is one of the most powerful tools for achieving success. You just need to choose the right first domino, stay consistent, and build upon it. Allow a chain reaction of continuous achievements to unfold. If you found this video valuable, like it, comment your first domino, and subscribe to the Aware Mind channel.